Stepn, GMT, basically is a coin that especially is right now exchanged at $0.155881 per unit. With the market capitalization of $171,786,785, that makes it a low-position digital currency, which basically is very huge. Computerized resources like Stepn essentially have currently especially turned into the point of convergence of consideration for especially retail financial backers and examiners, yet additionally for most certainly enormous institutional financial backers who truly see Stepn and the remainder of digital currencies as a really powerful fundamentally fence against expansion that takes a by and large weighty cost for the worldwide economy in an unpretentious manner. So, we should zero in on the Stepn market, its really current standings, as well as the midterm and sort of long-haul cost expectation that sort of depends on the readings of our in every practical sense exclusive crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, in a truly significant way. As of now, the cost of Stepn most certainly remains at $0.155881, and this in every practical sense, specific computerized resource, certainly stands firm on the 94th foothold in the worldwide cryptographic money positioning, which truly is very huge. For prettier data, the positioning of each and every cryptographic money for the most part is vigorously dependent on its sort of current market capitalization and cost, and sort of is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most exceptional data on the resource being referred to. Beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. Likewise too for the most part get an essentially better especially handle of the market circumstance and really figure out the in every practical sense, general bearing of the pattern, or to enlist its non-appearance. It's likewise critical to by and large dissect the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Recently, on September 1st, the cost of Stepn by and large remained at $0.158066 at the end of the genuinely everyday exchanging meeting, which is a 1.15% distinction when contrasted with the very current value 7 days prior. On August 26, the Stepn market generally remained at $0.168003 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members, which especially is genuinely critical. As the outcome, the value sort of moved by 0%, comparable to its genuinely present standing. A month prior, on August 2nd, Stepn fundamentally was evaluated at $0.208223, which essentially concurred with our cost expectation for that truly specific period in an exceptionally significant manner. Contrasted with the kind of present place of Stepn, it addresses a 25.14% cost move. At the point when it especially comes to digital forms of money, market capitalization serves most certainly more as a sign of the coin's offer or strength in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its generally prominence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers in an unpretentious manner. Numerous digital currency brokers view market capitalization as a genuinely key marker to explicitly be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices. It truly is determined by duplicating the all-out number of coins that are as of now available for use, flowing stock, by the ongoing cost of Stepn, which, as currently referenced, as of now for the most part, remains at $0.155881 in a huge manner. Considering that equation, we by and large have determined the truly current market capitalization of Stepn to basically be at $171,786,785, which legitimizes its place as the 94th coin among those genuinely present on the cryptographic money market, which is genuinely critical. Recently, on September 1st, the market capitalization of Stepn generally remained at $174,045,423. Sort of keep going weak. On August 26th, the exceptionally aggregate sum of really capital dedicated to Stepn sort of was laid out at $184,512,157. The information from a month prior, enlisted on August 2nd, truly shows that Stepn in every practical sense had a market capitalization of $210,174,358 in a very enormous manner. As its name recommends, truly greatest stock alludes to the roof measure of coins that will at any point in a real sense be mined or printed inside the for the most part relating blockchain network, which is very huge. When that sum generally is acquired, the framework especially stops the age of new coins for good, which really is genuinely critical. The greatest stock generally is normally truly shown in the source code of the fundamental convention, as well as the white paper, which really is genuinely critical. The commencement towards the very most extreme stock typically explicitly begins with the development of the first, beginning, block on the blockchain in an especially significant manner. In our occurrence, Stepn in every practical sense has a truly greatest stockpile of 600,000,000 coins, showing how as of now, the cost of Stepn by and large stands at $0.155881, and this specific computerized resource sort of stands firm on the 94th footing in the worldwide cryptographic money positioning, or so they sort of thought. This very specific element of a really certain coin can sort of be considered as a fence against expansion in light of the fact that the foreordained issuance rate joined with the stockpile roof frequently delivers the coin deflationary once the especially greatest stockpile for the most part is reached, and makes a pre-modified shortage of a given resource, which makes the circumstances for a substantially more unsurprising and consistent cost appreciation in an unobtrusive manner. Complete stock focuses to the quantity of coins that generally have proactively been mined, printed, or generally made, and certainly are either flowing available or secured in designers or alternately holders kind of cool wallets in an unpretentious manner. The very all-out supply likewise considers any coins that in a real sense have been scorched, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate. Or so they thought. It can especially measure up to the quantity of extraordinary portions of an organization that is public on the financial exchange, by and large, in spite of mainstream thinking. The very complete stockpile of Stepn as of now for the most part remains at 5,429,039,371 GMT. Additionally, the perusing of exchanging volume can assist one with truly deciding genuinely better passage and leave focuses in light of the fact that as per the standards of specialized examination, huge cost moves, pattern inversions, or unions frequently basically happen at the cost levels that in every practical sense are joined by generally genuinely high volume, since those truly are the volumes where enormous cash fundamentally had sort of come into really play in a genuinely large manner. As per our information, the exchanging volume on the Stepn market generally was as per the following. Over the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Stepn market explicitly added up to $14,706,917. Recently, on September 1st, the genuinely normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting explicitly added up to $23.09,964. So this kind of specific component of a really certain coin can explicitly be considered as a fence against expansion in light of the fact that the foreordained issuance rate joined with the stock roof frequently delivers the coin deflationary once the truly greatest stock generally is reached and makes a pre-customized shortage of a given resource, which makes the circumstances for